Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. I know this new look can be slightly hit and miss for a lot of you people, but it's just that I wanted to get one clean shave done because it's been almost last August when I actually trimmed completely down. Occasionally you need to trim it completely, have a good detox on your face and then grow it back again. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Been one hell of a ride over the last 2 months actually, October, November, now December, and we are closing down on the 90-day challenge. 90 month na yaar, 90 month bole to na. We might still do it, but the 90-day challenge has been going amazingly well, loving it. Like the numbers are out of this world. Most of the videos have been working out pretty well. Big trip coming up with my family, just me and my wife heading for a short trip between end of December. So that will probably conclude this 90-day challenge, but I'm seriously contemplating whether I should extend it to March when my birthday is due. So could be a good gift for myself that I give, commit longer and keep achieving these amazing results like the numbers are. I'll tell you at the end of December or in January when I do a summary video of how much this 90-day challenge improved so many things about my YouTube journey and what I learned from it, what I'm gonna do going forward. So that will be a different video that we'll save for once we complete this 90-day challenge. I wanted to reach the maximum number of people and I think I'm doing a good job at it. Anyway, let's continue doing that. But today, finally I had moved to set the new Sena 50S. I got this from US when a family friend was coming down. So the big task that I have right now, uninstall the Sena 30K and install the 50S. This video will be the uninstallation of the 30K. I'll probably use it for my old empty helmet. Nice setup, right? You just need a riding pant and this would look amazing. So let's go ahead and install the 50S on the Scorpion helmet. Installing 30K on this helmet is pretty straightforward. Before we actually install it, we need to unbox it, right? So let's go ahead and unbox the 50S dual pack. There you go. So for comparison's sake, this is the 30K and this is the 50S, guys. Looks pretty similar. That's the size comparison. Almost the same, if not thinner. The pin system seems different. Proportion wise, it's almost the same. Width wise too. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. So we got a quick start guide. Oh, different languages make quick start guide. So much of wasted space. Not a fan of this. .3M tapes, mounts. So this is the adapter that goes to the helmet with the mic. USB charging cable, audio jacks, sticky mounts, pads and other tools, an extra mic. Basically this is the same as what I got with the 30K. So pretty much we have all this. What is this? Oh, the same stuff. So basically dual pack, right? So it's packed in this way. One box is that. So that's the packing, guys. That's it. Pretty simple unboxing. This is much more compact than what used to be the old 30K box. Let me show you the 30K box. So this is the old 30K box that I got. Look at the 50S box. This used to be also very complicated. So I used to get all the stuff there and then 2 boxes. Time to remove the old setup or the 30K. This is the 30K that lasted us quite a long time, but slowly some issues started creeping up. A quick doubt. Would the 50S fit on the 30K adapter? Let's test. Oh yeah, this does fit. But the plan is I want to change this adapter because these pins, if you see, some of the rubber gasket for the pins is damaged. It's not entirely waterproof and it's not working effectively, so I need to change that. You get this Allen key and the plate. Depending on the helmet, you might have to use an extra plate. Here the plate comes with an adhesive or this mic adapter directly. So this is the same one as this one. This helmet, the Scorpion EXO 1400 carbon fiber edition, comes with emergency removable cheek pads. So you just need to pull this and they come out. The speakers are set up here. Pretty easy, right? Not all helmets are like that. That's it. The base plate is off. Just undo the speaker from the speaker pockets. So I routed the other speaker from the back here. The advantage with, by the way, this helmet is this has these air cushions which can be pumped. So if you want more compact fit with the pumping system, and once you don't want it, just push that button and goes back. This is the best thing about this helmet, and no other helmet has that feature. This gives you a better fit and better comfort than other helmets that I came across. Anyway, let me remove this speaker too. So yeah, the speaker set is out. This is the base unit for the 50S. Looks pretty straightforward. Just need to loosen this up, fit them here, and route the speaker pockets. Just need to loosen it enough, not too much. See? Enough so that this can slide over. Just need to look at the positioning here. Yeah, this is a position I am comfortable with. Just tightening it slightly, not too much, so that I'll have some room to play around once I keep the speaker inside, right? That's the main thing. The plate's sitting nice and stiff. Let's see if this fits. Nice. This is the sun visor for my helmet, so just want to see if this is coming in position of this. Luckily not. Okay. That's it. There's still some play here. I will tighten this further once I put the speakers and all. First thing I'm gonna do is put the small speaker in here first. So this is pretty straightforward. Don't worry about those extensions for all the wires and all. Luckily this helmet has a slot for the wire to go in. So you just need to align it correctly. And this helmet has some grooves too. So it sits nicely here. Just lock in the wire inside this. Done. So this is done. So now the other speaker, you see even this is now sitting nicely inside. Sorry, sometimes the focus is trying hard because there are a lot of moving parts here. So the speakers sit perfectly in this helmet, man. They fit nice and snug. I didn't need to add any foam or 3M tapes. So I'll start with the center cushion. This is easier to fit. So just make sure the wires are not pinched anywhere. That's it. Wires are already hidden, guys. Just need to put the side pads and done. Another advantage with this helmet is you have these grooves, right? So you can slide the wires here inside. So make sure there is some play here for the speaker wires. Otherwise this can snag, and this is the main thing that connects the Sena to your speaker unit. Okay, so this is the right one. Let's see. So there are 3 pins that need to go inside, and these can move. top and bottom, so you can adjust it based on the cushion. Nice. Done. So this pad is set. So this mic goes here. So this is the play I was talking about. I think this is good. You can't route this mic from inside. That's complicated. They even have a pocket for the mic here, but I hardly use it. Anyway, we'll test the mic later. Let me finish the other side. The other side is easy because the wire's coming from here, right? Done. That's the helmet setup. Oh, I didn't tighten these right. So we'll just tighten these a bit and then we're done. You heard that click sound, right? That's the indication. Let's set up the Sena 50S right now.
Hello.
First you turn on this by holding the power button and the jog dial. Compared to the 30K, I missed this button. So they had this button and the jog dial separately. These are all connected right now. Missed that. Let's hold this for 50 seconds, for a few seconds. I heard that phone pairing mode is on. I need to go to Bluetooth settings. Hey, yes. Sena 50S is paired. Pair. Name your device. Crazy 50S. Continue. Let's check if there are any updates. Firmware update require. Okay, we need a Sena Bluetooth. So I need to connect this to the laptop and get it done, but the Sena is paired, guys. You see, Crazy 50S, 25 hours remaining time, firmware, battery percentage. Anyway, we'll need to do a quick firmware update and then go from there. Let's do a quick sound test. Hey guys, the Sena setup is done. That's it guys, that's the unboxing and installation of the Sena 50S. Still need to test it on the road, but from what I heard so far with the music on, as you saw, the music is much louder, at least 20-30% louder. The volume is much louder. The bass and the music detailing is still not there. Cardo Pack Talk is reviewed much better, but we don't get it in India. At least for Sena you can get it serviced, but for Cardo you can't get that serviced in India. That's the only disadvantage. Otherwise all of my friends would have gone for the Cardo. I don't think we'll take the bike at least till a month because my bike is still in the showroom, the parts yet to arrive. So till such time I don't know if we'll get to ride and test the Sena, but we'll still have the Apache to go out and see. By the way, the Apache is on OLX, so the links in the description. Only serious buyers please, and it's again, I'm not handling the OLX link, so please be mindful of the person you're dealing with. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and installation of the Sena 50S. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.